Hello everyone. Today, let's take a detailed, in-depth walk-around look at this brand new, very well-equipped 2018 Nissan Rogue. This Rogue is the SL trim level, shown in pearl white trico. It does feature the premium platinum reserve interior with saddle and quilted stitched leather patterns. The second generation Nissan Rogue was unveiled at the 2013 Frankfurt Motor Show, with North American models going on sale in November of 2013. Production of US models are produced in Smyrna, Tennessee. And the Rogue is all-wheel drive with Nissan's full-time automatic intelligent all-wheel drive system. It is powered by a 2.5-liter dual overhead cam 16-valve 4-cylinder engine. It creates 170 horsepower at 6,000 RPM, 175 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 RPM. It is good for 0 to 60 miles per hour in 9.1 seconds with a quarter-mile reach in 17 seconds at 80 miles per hour and a top speed of 118 miles per hour. Fuel consumption EPA ratings are 25 city, 32 highway, with 27 miles per gallon combined. The Rogue consumes 3.7 gallons per 100 miles driven. And the sole available transmission is Nissan's Xtronic CVT transmission, and this vehicle does feature the Sport modes and Eco modes. Upshift by pressing up the lever, and downshift by pressing down the lever. Around the rear of the Rogue, while less dramatically styled than its Murano larger brother, the Rogue is still a very nice crossover with almost identical cargo capacity. Tail lamps are large LEDs mounted in red tinted plastic on top, with the smoke clear lenses housing the reverse lamps and turn indicators. The rear window is large and fixed for rearward visibility, and is assisted by the intelligent around view 360-degree vision camera that's installed. The bumper features a fluted satin stainless steel tread plate to protect the bumper finish from loading and unloading cargo. The side profile of the Rogue is understated and elegant, with light character lines highlighting the wheel arches in a similar, yet less aggressive way than the Murano. Satin aluminum frames the window lines. Steering on the Rogue is speed-sensitive electrically assisted power rack and pinion. Wheels are 19-inch painted and polished machine-finished aluminum alloys with 225/55 R19 Bridgestone Ecopia HL 422 Plus tires. Brakes are 4-wheel ventilated disc brakes with ABS, electronic brake force distribution, stability control, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, just to name a few of the safety features. Around the front of the Rogue, the familiar family face of Nissan is present, with the large Nissan logo mounted front and center, framed by the large chrome accents making the V-Motion grille. The front end is similar to that of the Murano and somewhat of the Kicks. Headlamps are large, clear projector beam headlamps. They feature intelligent automatic with high beam assist and are accented by bold LED daytime running lights and feature incandescent turn indicators. And this Rogue is equipped with remote start as standard equipment. To operate is easy. First you need to lock the vehicle, then press and hold the remote start button. And unlocking the vehicle with Nissan's Intelligent Access Smart Key Access system is easy by keeping the key fob in your purse or pocket. To lock the vehicle, simply locate the black button on the chrome door handles. Press it, the horn will chirp, and the vehicle will lock. To unlock, simply press the button again. And inside is the striking platinum reserve interior. It is black with the dark tan, what Nissan calls tan. It looks more like nutmeg or saddle. But it is very nice, with nice quality plastics, piano gloss black trim, chrome door handles, accent stitching, and soft padded armrest. Power heated mirrors with blind spot detectors. And you've also got power windows, power door locks, and 2 driver memory. The door panels also feature molded mat pockets, as well as cup holders. And this vehicle also has a premium Bose audio system, 8-way power driver seat with two-way adjustable lumbar support, On the dashboard, you have your instrument panel dim, as well as your trip meter resets, stability control, heated steering wheel. You've also got your steering assist, lift gate release, fuel door, heated steering wheel button, your all-wheel drive lock mode, sport mode, and eco mode. Down below is the hood release, manual tilt telescoping steering wheel with leather wrap steering. Nissan's iconic zero gravity sport seats. Does feature perforated leather inserts. Has a platinum reserve stitching pattern, as well as black accents. Overall, the seats are very nice and very comfortable and very supportive. Alright, let's pan through the interior and show a little more details. As you can see here, nice fluid electrically assisted power steering. Requires almost no effort at all. It is speed sensitive. Does feature a flat bottom rim, accent stitching with stainless steel accents, trip computer controls as well as audio controls, Bluetooth phone controls, Pro Pilot Assist controls, and adaptive cruise controls. Easy to read instrumentation with Nissan's advanced drive display mode. Various menus for vehicle readout functions, as well as trip computer, vehicle settings, and your adaptive cruise control settings. Swooping over the top of the dash, it is nicely molded. It does have a Bose Centerpoint surround sound speaker in the top. 2 air vents with gloss black piano bezels. The Nissan Connect infotainment system with navigation. And you've also got various menus. Various gestures are used, as including pinch to zoom and swipe. Various Nissan Connect services info. AM FM, Sirius XM satellite radio. You've also got Bluetooth audios with audio streaming, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto. It also features Siri Eyes Free. Day-night mode. Placing the vehicle in reverse does activate the reverse camera. It does feature active guidance lines, as well as the 360-degree surround view camera. Here's just a quick video of the vehicle backing into a parking space to show how easy it is with the cameras in operation. The cameras also work in conjunction with parking sensors. And by toggling the camera button, you can also see your front view camera with active park assist guidelines as well. You've also got your side view camera mounted in the passenger mirror. And down below, dual zone electronic automatic climate control. This features single fan speed controls, auxiliary input, USB port, and 12-volt power point, electronic parking brake with auto hold. The Nissan Rogue does not feature electronic start-stop. Sport shifter with piano black accents, 2 large cup holders with easy clean inserts, 2 stage heated front seats, nice little storage tray, perfect for the key, deep center storage with a 12-volt power point, a USB charge port, and a nice padded stitched armrest. And taking a look overhead, automatic dimming rearview mirror. You've got 3-channel HomeLink and universal garage door opener. You can also turn on and off the auto dim feature. It does feature rain sense automatic wipers, a little card holder for the sun visors, LED map lights, overhead dome lamps, and your dome override button. And this vehicle does feature a dual pane panorama sunroof with a power retractable shade, and the front glass panel opens in a traditional sunroof manner. Here's just a quick overview of the dual pane glass from the rear seat. Does feature in a lot of lets in a lot of light for the cabin. Overhead sunglasses holder and SOS. You've got illuminated vanity mirrors, nice large sun visors with sliding visors, and dampened overhead assist handles. Alright, let's take a look at the rear seat. And the rear seat is finished in the same fashion as the front seat. Piano black trim. You've also got the cattle tan accents with padded armrest, molded bottle holders in the lower portions of the doors. And the rear seats do seat 3 across. They are a 60-40 split folding seat with reclining seat backs. You've also got height adjustable head restraints on all passenger seating areas. The Platinum Reserve stitch pattern with accent perforated stitching. And the center portion does fold down, kind of awkwardly at least. That does feature an armrest with molded cup holders. You've got overhead map lamps, overhead assist handles, a nice flat floor, 2 air vents, and mat pockets in the seat backs. And of course, folding the seats is very easy, locating the lever at the top of the seat, lifting the lever up, and pulling the seat back forward. And the seat back does fold flat with the cargo area, which is a nice addition. This vehicle does not have the optional 3rd row seat installed. Opening the liftgate is easy by pressing the button in the driver's side instrument panel, or you can kick your foot under the bumper for the motion activated liftgate, or a third way, just by pressing and holding the liftgate release button on the key fob. And cargo capacity inside the Nissan Rogue is surprisingly high, and is actually greater than even the larger Murano. With the seats in the upright lock position, you have 39 cubic feet of storage space. You have a 12-volt power point. You also have the hide and divide cargo container. Here's a little paper that shows all the different ways that you can separate the shelves and work the hide and divide system. It's a very handy little system that's in the Rogue and very nice to have. Underneath these floor mats, you do have your spare tire. It does feature jack and tools. Alright, here's a quick look with the rear seats folded. As you can see, they do fold flat. With the rear seats down, you have 70 cubic feet of storage space. Lift-over height from the rear hatch is 29.2 inches. Payload capacity is 1,060 pounds with 1,100 pound towing capacity. Pressing the button on the trim panel on the hatch will lower the liftgate for you. And this does conclude our in-depth walk-around look at the Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive Platinum Reserve. We hope the review was informative, and as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.